It's Women's History Month, so the three of us thought it'd be really cool to just pick some of our favorite female-founded brands and really spotlight the founder, do a little research, figure out who they are and what makes them special, and celebrate that. So, Myiesha, you want to start?
Yeah. So I love fragrance. I don't feel ashamed about having a huge collection. And Kayali has been one of my favorite fragrance brands in the past couple of years. I've been really into this one. This is Love Fest Burning Cherry. Mona Katan is the founder of Kayali. I've met her in passing. She was really warm, really lovely. We took a photo together, had a quick chat. Just really great brand. I encourage everybody to try it. They do really good minis, so really great to try out.
Next up, we have Merit Beauty. This is from Catherine Power, and really, she should be called Catherine Powerhouse because she's a serial entrepreneur. She has started fashion lines, wine, beauty. I just really love her ethos, and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. It's like a nostalgic, just everything's like edited and curated really, really well. And what I love about this is she's all about the 5-minute face, and I feel like anybody in fashion is really into like her line. They all know about it. They all love the 5-minute face, and I'm right there with them. It's just a really great curated line.
All right, so next up is topicals. You've definitely seen topicals. It was a viral sensation. And the founder of this brand is Alameda. Alameda grew up with a skin condition, eczema as well, and she was going to dermatologists and just didn't see the right kind of treatment available for all skin tones. This is an incredibly inclusive brand. It works on all skin tones, all skin types, and it's incredible.
And the marketing makes you feel good about taking care of your skin. Sometimes eczema, like psoriasis, rosacea, it's irritating, it hurts. This is very celebratory. It's like stretch marks. It
no Photoshop.
Just beautiful, cool girl marketing.
Let's celebrate our skin for sure.
Melinda, I love that because Sol de Janeiro plays in perfectly to that body positive vibe. This is by Hila, and everybody in Brazil is super body positive, just really embracing who you are and all different body types. And so she decided to create this whole line.
So I always have a short list of brands I want to research. So Women's History Month, perfect timing. Ceremonia has been one of those brands I wanted to look into. So the founder of Ceremonia is Baba Rivera. She is of Chilean descent, but she grew up in Sweden. They have an ethos of just speaking to your hair kindly. I try to do this. It can be kind of hard, like not talking about fighting frizz and taming my curls and things like that. Just kind of like letting my hair do what it wants, but still taking care of it. So I definitely love that. This is the Guava Rescue Spray. We're all passing this around because it smells so
yummy.
Good. Oh, and it's clean at Sephora and the first Latina-owned hair brand.
Oh, I love that.
All right, so my second one is from Sephora Beauty, and Miss Laney is the founder. She is an industry expert. She's worked for a lot of the big beauty brands behind the scenes for years, and she really saw a place in the market for clean beauty, but really cool clean beauty. And she actually started her own blog specifically talking about researching and educating people on what clean beauty was, clean beauty brands that she loved. Really did that deep dive of research before she founded her own brand, Say. And this brand is just filled with your go-to essentials. This in particular, it's the Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. And me and our video director were talking before this video started. We're both obsessed. It's one of our go-to products, and that's this brand. She's just created products that are so easy, user-friendly, accessible, and clean.
So this was so much fun. This was like a research project for Women's History Month. It was like going back to school with you guys.
Yeah.
I definitely learned some really cool stuff. I encourage all of you to research your favorite brands. You never know. I just love knowing the reasoning behind people starting brands and their ethos. It makes you more connected to the product for sure. So if you want to check out any of these products, go ahead and shop the shelf, and we'll see you next time. Bye.